A cybersecurity expert, Dr. Chibuike on Thursday, alleged that the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC uploaded the picture of a book on its results viewing portal IREV instead of the results of the presidential election held on February 25. Ugoke testified before the Presidential Election Petition Court PEPC sitting in Abuja as the 8th witness, PW8, in the case the candidate of the LabourParty LP, Mr. Peter Obi, filed to nullify President Bola Tinubu's election. Though the PW8, described as an expert witness, commenced his evidence on Wednesday, the court deferred his cross-examination after the respondent complained that they needed time to study his statement on oath. At the resumed proceedings on Thursday, he was recalled to the witness box, even as all the respondents took turns to grill him before the Justice Haruna Samani-led 5-member panel of the court. Answering questions on the cross-examination, Dr. Ugoke said he analyzed INEC's ICT infrastructure, which he termed as metadata. He told the court that the metadata described the actual information in the system. The witness said he used 12 polling units in 3 states of Bauchi, Anambra and Rivers States as focal points of his analysis, adding that he equally made reference to Benue State in his report that was tendered before the court. He told the court that the petitioners approached him on March 10 to analyze what INEC uploaded to its IREF portal after the presidential election. The witness admitted that he read Obi's petition and replies by the respondents before he wrote his final report that was tendered in evidence. He told the court that his analysis revealed that INEC officials made incorrect inputs into the IREF portal using the bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS machines. Asked if he contacted the LabourParty to give him what should have been the actual results from the polling units, the witness said, "No, my lords, I did not." Dr. Chibuike Ugoke said in one of the instances, the picture of a book was uploaded instead of the election results. He told the court that out of 176,846 polling units in the country, he chose only 12 based on proof of consent. On the claim by INEC that technical glitches hampered the electronic transmission of results, the witness told the court that such technological errors could be detected when testing an application before its deployment. He told the court that all he did was from his computer, adding that he was familiar with the AWS which INEC engaged for the general election. The witness maintained that by the statement, INEC inferred that the results would equally be electronically collated. Asked if he was aware that PDP won the election in one of the polling units in Bauchi State, which he analyzed, the witness said he was not aware. Asked if he was aware that in one of the polling units in Anambra State, the LP won with 127 votes while APC scored 0, the witness said he was also not aware. Asked to confirm that the results he referenced in his report were not the original copies from INEC, the witness said they are original results from the IREF portal and they are still there. More so, the witness told the court that International Organization for Standardization (ISO) certification was a statutory requirement for organizations like the INEC under the National Information Technology Development Agency (NITDA) Act. Meanwhile, shortly after the court discharged Dr. Ugoke, another witness, Mr. Emmanuel Edet, mounted the box as the 11th witness in the matter. Edet, a legal practitioner and head of legal services at NITDA, said he was subpoenaed to appear before the court. While being cross-examined by counsel to the APC Fagbemi SAN, the witness said he was aware that the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy had, in the wake of the presidential election, disclosed that over 16 million attempts were made to hack INEC's ICT infrastructure. The witness said he was equally aware that INEC, an independent body, did not need the authority of any agency to conduct elections. After the court discharged him, the petitioners called their 12th witness, Mr. Tanko Yunusa, who told the court that he was a member of LP's election situation room. Mr. Yunusa identified a bundle containing several letters the party wrote to INEC. Besides, he told the court that over 18,088 results the commission uploaded to its IREF portal were blurred. The Justice Samani-led panel adjourned further hearing on the matter till Friday to enable the respondents to cross-examine the witness. Meanwhile, the 26 petitioners witness in the petition of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) challenging the victory of President Bola Tinubu and Kashim Shettima has testified that the results contained in the 110 BVAS machines he inspected were deleted. Hilda Uwala, a forensic analyst, tendered 7 volumes of report based on 110 BVAS machines inspected. While being interrogated by the INEC Council, he admitted that he was not in Abuja when the elections were conducted and that nothing was wrong with the BVAS machines when he inspected them. He also added that he didn't interview any of the election presiding officers and did not know if anything was wrong with the BVAS machines on election day. INEC further told the court that the 110 BVAS machines inspected in the Federal Capital Territory constitute only 3.5% out of the 3,163 devices allocated to Abuja and less than 0.06% of the total number of BVAS deployed across Nigeria. To verify the witness' claims on deleting of results, INEC's lawyer brought 4 BVAS devices for the witness to inspect, but he refused, saying it was professionally wrong to do that as the figures might be tampered with. Uwala added that he couldn't identify the BVAS machine given to him as one of those he interrogated. He was asked how he got the figures stated in his report, since he admitted that the results were deleted, and he said the device he used in accessing the BVAS has the capacity to recover deleted results.